How's it going, Phone Lab? It's Root Junkie here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Nokia devices, and we're going to be talking about a couple different boot modes on these kind of devices. Now, one of these boot modes you can do in pretty much any Android device, and it works the same way. Okay, pretty much all of them. I think it's more or less universal, and it's called safe mode. So very easy to do. Two ways you can do it. One, you can go ahead and hold power, and then if you hold down on the power off button, it'll give you this option to reboot into safe mode. This disables all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Okay. So basically, if there's an application on the device that's causing the device to have problems, booting into safe mode will kill all those applications and only run the stock applications. Okay. So useful, right? You can hit OK and it'll boot into safe mode. All right. The other way to boot into safe mode, and again, this is basically universal, is you turn off the device and you hold the volume down button and you power it up. Okay, you keep holding volume down until the device completely powers on, and that will boot you into safe mode. Pretty much every device I think does that. Now, if you keep holding power and volume down on some devices, it'll boot you into recovery. It'll do different things, but generally you power it up, you hold volume down until the device boots, and you'll see it boot into safe mode. And the indication as to whether you're in safe mode or not is basically the same on all devices. Is right in the bottom corner. You're going to see safe, and you can see it right there, safe mode, right there in the bottom corner of the device. Okay, that means you are in safe mode and you've disabled those third-party applications. All right, just one reboot again will get you right out of that, and it won't be in safe mode anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and power us off, and I'm going to show you the next mode we're going to boot into. Okay, this mode is kind of cool. It's a little bit hard to get into on these Nokia devices. It's a little tricky, and it's basically just recovery mode. Okay, and you're going to need a USB cable. Now, my USB cable is plugged into my computer. That's how I would recommend doing this, not an outlet. I think it may work a little differently. So plug it into your computer, and then have your USB cable ready. Now, to do this, you're in a powered off state. What you're going to do is you're going to hold two buttons on the device as you plug it in. When you're going to plug it in, you're going to hold those two buttons for 2 seconds, and you're going to release them. That should get you into recovery. Okay, so we're going to plug it in. We're going to hold volume up and power until you see that 1, 2, and you're going to let go. This should boot the device into recovery mode, and there you go, it did. So basically, plug in, hold volume up, power, 2 seconds, wait for this to come up. This says no commands. Now, if you don't know this, this is how basically all the recoveries work now, is it says no commands and it just sits here forever. So what you do to get past that is you hold power for 2 seconds and then you tap volume up. So 1, 2, tap. Okay? Now you're in the recovery mode menu, and from here you can select all your options. Now, you can select to reboot to bootloader mode right here. See? Reboot to bootloader. So this is an awesome mode, and this will give you into Nokia's bootloader mode. So let's do that and just show you what it looks like. So it looks like, it says download mode in the top corner, and it has Android 1 on it or whatever it says on there. May be different for different Nokia devices, but it says download mode. Okay, now, what if we want to get to this mode and you don't want to go through recovery and so on and so forth? So there's a couple ways to do that. So let's just hold volume down and power. Volume down and power held long enough will always reboot the device. It's a way of force rebooting any Android device. Volume down, power. Maybe you have to hold it for a minute, but it will eventually force reboot the device and get the device booting again. Okay, whatever mode it's kind of stuck in. It just power cycles basically. It's the same thing as if you were pull a battery. Volume down, power. It's like the same concept. A lot of these devices you can't pull a battery on, so you have to have that option. Okay, so now we're going to talk about how to get into bootloader mode without the recovery option. There is a way to do it. There's a couple ways to do it, and I'm going to show you 2 of them I think are kind of fun. Okay, so the first one is really, really simple. It's just like getting into recovery. You just have to power off the device, and you hold a couple buttons and you plug in the cable. Really easy, right? So let me just show you guys that one if I can get this thing to power off. So power off. There we go. I'm going to rotate it around. So recovery was volume up and power. This time we're going to do volume down and power. And this one is a little harder in my mind to get into, so just kind of be aware of it. So we're going to plug it in. 1, 2, and you let go. Okay? You can see it's in download mode right down here in the bottom. So boom, we're in. This one I feel like for some reason is a little bit tricky. Now, if you have already been in this mode before and you have drivers installed on your computer, I'm going to show you a trick on how to get into download mode or fast boot or bootloader mode on these Nokia devices that I think is cool. Something I kind of just figured out. And the reason it works is because the device always boots to fast boot mode or bootloader mode as soon as you power it on. And if you catch it, you'll always get right into download mode. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So that being said, we're going to go ahead and we're going to power this guy off or reboot it. Alright guys, so let me show you how to do this. This is really cool. So you got the phone over here on the right, on the left, we were going to open up my command window. Let me shrink this up for you guys to show you how to do this. It's like, this is like really simple to do, okay? So what you're going to do is I've got it plugged in. You can see the phone's plugged in. I've got my USB cable plugged into my computer, and the device is just sitting there. It's powered off, okay? So what you're going to type is you're going to type fast boot, if I can type, fast boot reboot bootloader. Okay, and then you're going to hit enter. Alright, now this obviously means you have the Android SDK installed, you have fast boot functioning on a computer, and really you even have the drivers for fast boot installed for Nokia devices. Okay, all that has to be there for this to function. So it's just waiting for the device to communicate. So from here it's very simple. Push the power button. Okay, and this will force, or you might have to hold it to get it to power on. It's going to force the device to boot up, and then when it does, it's going to tell the device to go right into bootloader mode. Okay, it's basically rebooting it directly to bootloader mode. Boom, you're in. Now it says download mode right down here in the corner, and you can use your fast boot commands like this one, which is one of my favorites, to go ahead and get some partition details about the device. So there you go guys, those are going to be the methods here on how to, go into different boot modes on Nokia devices. So let me just reboot this device. There we go. And that's going to wrap it up for me on this video here on Nokia. Stay tuned for more about them. We're going to be talking about firmware, flashing, bootloader unlocks, and the like. So we'll see you in the next lesson. Root Junkie out.